Alright, listen up. Something big is brewing in DJI's world, and if you're in the drone mapping space, this is not something you want to sleep on. DJI just dropped a teaser for their upcoming launch, and the tagline is already giving us goosebumps: make the world your digital asset. Sound familiar? Yeah, that's the same phrase DJI uses to describe its powerful Terra mapping software, but this time it's paired with a swirling animation of 3D point clouds transforming into a Japanese castle. It's subtle, it's poetic, and it's screaming. Something massive is coming. Mark your calendars, July 17th, 8 AM EDT. That's when DJI's next reveal goes live. And from what we're seeing, this one's aimed straight at professionals who don't mess around. Surveyors, engineers, conservationists, you name it. Now here's where it gets interesting. DJI Terra already turns drone images into ultra-precise 2D maps and fully textured 3D models. It's been used for serious stuff like digitally preserving Karatsu Castle in Japan. That's not just photogrammetry for show, that's digital heritage in action. And if DJI's dropping a teaser this dramatic, you can bet the update's going to push Terra to an entirely new level. Maybe it's a UI overhaul, maybe it's faster rendering with better AI, maybe support for even more advanced sensors like the ZenMuse L2, or maybe, just maybe, they're opening the doors to a full-scale digital asset ecosystem where every environment you map is part of something bigger. And let's not forget, previous updates brought us AI-based water surface reconstruction, 7-parameter coordinate transformations, and multi-GPU support. So yeah, DJI isn't playing games here. This is about unlocking deeper accuracy, smoother workflows, and expanding the frontier of what's possible in drone mapping. If you're working in construction, public safety inspection, or historical preservation, this could be your edge. No fluff, no gimmicks, just game-changing tech for people building the future. So are you ready to turn the world into your digital asset? We'll be watching on July 17. You should too. Hit the bell, subscribe, and drop your predictions in the comments. Something tells me this is just the beginning. Catch you soon.